Do you ever feel like you're on a sugar roller coaster? Up one minute, crashing the next? If you're tired of feeling tired, having mood swings, and struggling to lose weight, then it's time to kick sugar to the curb. Quitting sugar is one of the best things you can do for your health. But what happens to your body when you stop eating sugar? In the short term, you may experience withdrawal symptoms such as cravings. When you quit sugar, your body will still crave it because it is used to getting a regular supply of glucose from sugar. Also, sugar provides your body with quick energy, so when you stop eating it, you may feel more tired than usual. This is because your body has to learn to use other sources of energy, such as fat. Headaches are another common withdrawal symptom from sugar. This is because sugar can affect the levels of certain neurotransmitters in your brain. When you eat sugar, your blood sugar levels spike. Then, your body releases insulin to bring your blood sugar levels back down to normal. However, if you eat too much sugar, your blood sugar levels can fluctuate wildly. This can lead to a number of health problems, including diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. When you quit sugar, your blood sugar levels will stabilize. You may start to sleep better and have more energy. Why? This is because your body will be able to regulate its blood sugar levels more effectively. When you quit sugar, your skin may start to clear up. This is because your body will be less inflamed and your skin will produce less oil. And the best part, you may start to lose weight. In the medium term, you can expect to see even more positive changes in your body after quitting sugar. Your blood sugar levels will become even more stable, and your energy levels will continue to increase. You will be even less likely to experience cravings and mood swings, and your sleep will likely improve even further. Your skin will become even clearer and healthier, and you will likely lose even more weight. In addition to these physical changes, you may also experience some positive mental and emotional changes. For example, you may find that you have more focus and concentration, and that you are better able to manage stress. You may also feel happier and more optimistic. In the long term, quitting sugar can help you to feel your best and improve your overall health and well-being. Inside your body, quitting sugar can lead to a number of positive changes, including improved blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, increased insulin sensitivity, improved heart health, reduced risk of chronic diseases. Outside your body, you may notice the following changes: clearer skin, healthier hair and nails, weight loss, increased energy levels. Quitting sugar is one of the best things you can do for your health. It can lead to a number of positive changes, both inside and outside your body. If you're ready to feel your best and improve your overall health, it's time to say goodbye to sugar. Quitting sugar is not easy, but it is possible. And it's worth it.